Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix your MacBook not turning on. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you need to go ahead and identify what the problem is in order to go ahead and solve it. So there are a couple reasons why your MacBook could not be turning on. So first thing, there could be no battery on your MacBook. So try connecting it to a charging port and then simply go ahead and try to go ahead and open it. If that is not working, you need to understand if there is any problem with your CPU or even your processor and stuff like that, right? So the best bet you can do is simply go ahead and take your MacBook to the Apple Care. Simply go ahead and contact your Apple support and they'll go ahead and help you identify the problem and then fix it. If your MacBook is way too old, maybe it is a time to upgrade your MacBook. So that is about it. I hope this video was informational to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.